Hey guys, hey fans. I really don't know which one I'll be using right now. Let me know in the comment section which one you think is better. Hey fans, hey everyone, hey guys. Anyway, I'm so used to saying hey guys. Hope you all are fine, hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we'll be talking about YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts. How YouTube Shorts will destroy your channel. Yes, I've been wanting to talk about this for a very, very long time, but I keep procrastinating as usual. But not until I saw this video appeared on my YouTube page, and here I am fully decided to come and talk about this. So this YouTuber, his name is Boza. He got 4 million subscribers. When I saw 4 million subscribers, I'm like, this is a big YouTuber. So he got 4 million subscribers, but all he does is he uploads only YouTube short videos, and from YouTube short videos, that was how he got his subscribers, which are 4 million subscribers, and that is how he also got his watch hour, and he got monetized. But he got monetized, and he wants to make the money. Like, we all are here for the money. Yes, let's not just beat about the bush about that, because we get to check our YouTube revenue, check whether we see money or we not see money. So to the shock, or to shocking of him, or to the shock or whatever of it, he found out that he could not make the money the way he expected to make the money, and he got frustrated in the sense that he puts out the videos and he got very, very little money. So this is why YouTube Shorts is going to destroy your channel. This is why you should not or stop uploading, or not upload, or think before you upload YouTube short videos, because it is going to destroy your channel. There are so many reasons why it's going to destroy your channel, and this is what we'll be talking about in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so that I am going to analyze this for you properly. Number one, why YouTube short is going to destroy your channel is that if you keep uploading only YouTube short videos, at the long run, when you get monetized, like this YouTuber Bozai, you are going to be earning less, and you will not be able to make more money which you want to make. So what should you do? Yeah, we will be talking about all this in this video. Yeah, so what should you do? You should not upload only YouTube short video, or should you upload both of them? That is another thing we need to talk about, because for me, I do upload YouTube long video, and whenever I find out that I upload YouTube short video, my videos get less view, and the YouTube short video is not even getting much view, and it's not making much money. I get discouraged all the time, and that is why I said that I want to talk about this before I saw this video. So what should you do? I did a lot of research, and I found out that if you are doing similar thing and you want to make short video like that other boy, Boza, not boy, man, excuse me, like he was uploading only YouTube short video, that is where he made mistake. So when he want to start uploading YouTube long form, because he saw that he's not making much money from the YouTube short video, he want to and he found out that when you make YouTube long form video, you get to make more money. So he decided to start making long form video, and that is how his channel got destroyed, in the sense that he was not getting the views, because without the view you are not going to get the money. So he found out that he's not getting the views. So since he is not, I'm looking into my lens, so looking at you guys, I am seeing you guys, I'm talking to you guys, so I'm looking into my lens ahead, because when you look into the lens, you're talking to your audience. So like as I was saying before I put about the butch, so you guys, he started trying to create long form videos so that it can make money. So he creating long form videos so that it's not getting the views, because without the views you cannot get the money. You need the view to get the money. So he found out that it's not getting much views, so he created this video that I saw in my channel, okay, that he can't even pay his rent and all that. You know, that was the title, but that's not what we're talking about. What we're talking about here is YouTube short is going to destroy your channel. So stop creating YouTube short so that it does not destroy your channel. But if you want to do, that is up to you. you have to find a strategy which you are going to be using to upload your long form and your short form video. So yeah, so like that other person, what he did, and now that they want to create his long form video, the videos are not getting views because his viewers, all the 4 million viewers that he had, they came from short videos. So the short form viewers, they don't like to watch the long form videos. That is the problem, because they are so used to watching short. They just scroll like this, scroll and scroll and scroll. You know, they just look it, they go another, the next one like that. They're so used to it. So when you now come and start want to upload your long form video, they will not have the interest to watch it because they are used to it, used to watching short form videos. So you need to put this in your head when you want to create your YouTube channel. Which form of video you want to start creating? Is it a short one or is it the long one? So if you choose to do the short one, know that it's going to destroy your channel. So the best strategy that you're going to be doing is what I want to talk about now. What you're going to be doing is, you need to start, if you start with your long form videos and you want to start to implement short form video, you need to make sure it is similar content you're creating. Like in my channel, I usually do days in my life. I did a short form video where I talk about days in my life. I uploaded and it did well. I would say it did well. So it got about 500 views, and for me it did well. It was better. The last one I uploaded didn't do well at all. So you need to strategize this thing. You need to know how to go about this. The way you take your time to do your long form video, that is how you're going to take your time to do your short form video, because you need to put in the work so that it's going to attract same audience. If you are using black when you're making the colors, you need to look at the colors. If you did yellow, you need to look at what you are doing in the long form and you implement it in your short form for it to work for you, so that it will be similar. But if you're doing different thing, it's going to be difficult. It's going to be difficult for the long form viewers to come and start watching the short form videos, I mean to say. And at the long run, you will not be getting that view, and if you're not getting that view, you will not be making that money which you need. So if you're a small content creator, gather here. I have seen a lot of YouTubers here on YouTube talking about telling small content creators, if you want to get 1,000 subscribers, create short form video, do shorts, and when you do shorts and when you get your subscribers, then you are going to delete them and you start doing long videos, so that it's not going to work. It's going to destroy your channel. That is why I am making this video for you. If you are just starting, if you are a small YouTuber, don't create short form video. Don't be too much in a hurry to get those subscribers, because if you get those subscribers and at the end of the day, because you want the subscribers so that you can quickly get monetized, because this is what they preach. This is what they preach here on YouTube, just to because they know that, most especially Nigerian YouTubers, because they know that they are in a age, that we are in a age that we want to quickly get the monetization so that we start making money. So they will tell you, do short videos so that you quickly get, in 3 days, you just get 1,000 subscribers. How possible is that? I don't think it is possible, because if you get those subscribers from your short video, and when you want to start creating long video, they will not come and watch. So be warned, don't go and start doing short videos. It is going to destroy your channel. So what you want to do is be patient, create the long form videos, and at the same time, like Ali Abdul, I've been watching Ali Abdul for some time. You know, he's a big YouTuber. He creates long form video, and at the same time he also do the short video. He try to make it similar. So if you are doing video and you want to get a lot of money, you want to make money from your YouTube channel, make sure you upload long form videos. And if you, in the long run, you want to start doing short form, you do it similar, like what you're doing in your long form video, same thing you're going to do in your short form video. That is what Ali Abdal does. So he do the same thing he's doing in his long form, he does it in his short form, and he put them together, and that is how he's able to get view. So if you are a new YouTuber, if you're a small YouTuber like me, this is what you should do. Don't start your channel with creating shorts all because you want the subscriber, all because you want to get the watch hour, and at the end of the day, when you get monetized, you find out that you're not going to be getting more money, you're not going to be making money which you want in your channel, like this guy Boza. So he got 4 million subscribers, but at the end of the day, when he started making long videos, no one is watching. Those 4 million people, they are not watching. He can't even get up to 500 views, up to 1,000 views in his long form content. So that destroyed the channel. So if you don't want to destroy your YouTube channel, don't create shorts. Create long form videos and strategize it. So should you make shorts? Yes, you can if you're doing the same content. If you are doing the same content, like what I use myself as an example, I make a lot of days in my life as an introvert, mother. And when I want to make short, I try to make short in that form. And yeah, and it works. Sometimes it doesn't work. So if you want to create short, make sure it is the same content. But if it is different, it's not going to work. Short is going to kill your channel. Let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Help me to share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.